Hello IT admins, welcome back to How It Works. I am Amol. Today we are diving into the powerful tool that every security admin should be using, that is Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management. Now you might think keeping Windows update is enough, but what about the misconfiguration, risky software and weak passwords or even a updated firmware? That's where Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management comes in. It gives you a full view of your device vulnerabilities, not just missing patches, but real world risk and that attackers actively exploiting. We will cover what is Microsoft Defender vulnerability is, why it is important, and what features you get with your Microsoft 365 E5 security license or the Defender for endpoint license, and how to start using it effectively in your environment. So if you want to move from the reactive patching to proactive vulnerability management, stay tuned and let's break it down step by step. Let's talk about the Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management dashboard. You can access this dashboard from the security.microsoft.com under the endpoints, and there is a you see vulnerability management and click on the dashboard. You will see the dashboard and it gives you a lot of information about your network, your devices and your application inventory. So this is the portal of every day you need to check. If you are a security admin or the IT administrator, this is the portal every day you need to check. This portal will, this dashboard basically, it will show you a lot of information about your network. It shows in the right hand side, you will see it shows the security score bifurcated by the application, OS, network, accounts and security controls, and in the middle it will show the top security recommendations that is available and how you are going to fix those vulnerabilities, and or if you want to add the exceptions. So this data it shows here. Left hand side is shows the exposure score. Then you got a top events in your organization, what is happening in real time, and at the bottom it also shows the graphical representation of the exposure distributions like low, medium, high. In the middle, whatever the vulnerabilities you had remediated, those actions it will show up here, and the top vulnerable software it is also it will show here how many applications are available in your organization that is are vulnerable. And in the bottom it will shows that top exposed devices, how many devices are exposed to the vulnerabilities, and that you need to take action on the priority. So a lot of information you will see from the dashboard itself. Now we saw the dashboard, but now if there is a top vulnerabilities associated with any third-party application or the configuration, so how we are going to mitigate and what are the steps we are going to check. So for that you need to go under the recommendations. So you see the security recommendation page, and here you will see the lot of vulnerabilities are available, active vulnerabilities, active threats are available. You see these are the red colors is basically the active threats available against these vulnerabilities, and those we need to take them on the priority and fix them within the time. So associated CV number, and that is these vulnerabilities we need to fix them on the priorities. You see there are vulnerabilities regarding the Windows and the third-party application Dell command or the whatever the third-party applications that we are using in our network, and it will detect by the Defender for endpoint from that application, and it lists down here. So Microsoft will check what are the vulnerabilities available, and it will show up here. So for example, if there is a configuration vulnerabilities, now we are missing some configuration in our network, then how we are going to fix. For example, I'll take this one as an example, the block executables files from the running unless they meet prevalence, age or the trusted list criterion. All right. So this you will see it will show the exposed devices. Then it will shows those vulnerabilities and CC if it is available. It will show up here, and this under the category security control, attack surface reduction, and also it will give the user impact. Like, this is the best thing about the Microsoft vulnerability. It will show up that based on the sensor telemetry, whatever the report Microsoft have in the Defender portal, it will tell us that okay, how many devices are going to exposed with this change, and what is the impact to the end user. So this will give us a little bit, like for a security admin or the IT administrator, it will give a little bit the confidence to implement this change. Yeah, so this is going to change against like each vulnerability. So just keep a eye, or keep checking this before you make changes. Now, even if you want to make changes, it's not that easy. It will give you the remediation options, like how you are going to mitigate these vulnerabilities, what changes you need to make to fix this vulnerability, and the exposed devices, how many devices are exposed to these vulnerabilities. Now, request the remediation. Now this is the beauty. It will show again how you are going to fix this, and now you see when you click the next, and here all exposed devices, obviously we need to fix this to everyone. Open ticket in the Intune for AD joint devices, that is Intune joint devices, and remediation due, I'll tell us okay next day, and the medium, and whatever the notes if I want to put, I can put here, and the click. But there is no way it's going to fix. Okay, like for example, there is this vulnerability management not going to fix that on behalf of you. Now submit the ticket. It will create a ticket in the Microsoft Intune, but it will not fix this vulnerability automatically on your behalf, right? So you or your security team, or sorry, not a security team, or the infrastructure team, they need to go on the Intune, click on the check this ensure the Defender antivirus turned on. So Intune admin, whoever is, so Intune admin, he need to go to this portal and check this and attack surface reduction rule, and make this that ensure the cloud delivery protection is enabled. Need to enable this setting, and then it's going to fix this. It takes 24 hours to show the data on this portal. So again, it's a manual process. There is no automatically it's going to fix this, it's going to turn on this based on your ticket. Okay, somebody need to come, step in and fix this vulnerability. Now same thing goes for the third-party application. Even a Dell support application, if you open and if you want to, there is a associated CV high is there, and you want to request a remediation, you will see this software options, software update recommendation, software install, and attention is required. Whichever the category you choose, it's not going to update your Dell command. Okay, Dell support assistance, that application, it's not going to update. It's same thing. Choose the date, it will create a ticket, but it will not update your third-party applications. Again, your heroes, help desk, front desk staff need to step in. You need to fix this. There is a different ways available. If you are using RMM tool, third-party RMM tool, that you can use to fix this, or you can fix this through the Intune. Also you need to have little bit scripting knowledge, and with the script also you can fix this, or uninstall the existing one, install the new one. That's how you can fix this. Or you are using any third-party applications, to manage your applications through that application. If it is providing any kind of flexibility, or it's doing this patch management, it will fix this. But remember, it's not going to fix automatically. We need to step in, someone need to step in and remediate these vulnerabilities. So this is the little bit a downside of Microsoft vulnerability management solution. If you are going with the third-party vulnerability management solution, it install their agent on your laptops, all your endpoints, and it finds the vulnerability and there are known applications, they fix automatically. Whenever this vulnerability is available, we can fix this remotely on all our devices. So if it is a Google Chrome has a vulnerability, we can fix, and it will apply. Google Chrome can auto update every time if it is vulnerability is available. That option is available, but not every applications has that feature, auto update by itself. So yeah, so we need to fix this somehow. That is one downside of Microsoft vulnerability management. This vulnerability solution comes with the Microsoft E5 security, or the Defender for an Endpoint P2 license, and there is a standalone vulnerability management license also available. So these features comes with the three licenses, and three different licenses, obviously. So yeah, so this is vulnerability management.